This video will help you pair the wireless controller RFWB and the RFDALI unit. First, remove the battery from the device. Press any buttons to fully discharge the device. Insert the battery. The red indicator light will turn on. At this point, press button 1 and hold it until the indicator light goes off. Next, press the prog button. The indicator light will start blinking. Select a button on the remote control and assign a function to it. Finish programming with a short press of the prog button. Remove the battery from the device and press the buttons to completely drain the device. Insert the battery back into the device. The red indicator will light up and then start flashing. After the indicator finishes flashing, you can control the paired devices.